At A1 Home Improvement, every project is an opportunity to make a lasting impact on a homeowner's life. Today, we're sharing some heartfelt testimonials from customers who've experienced the A1 difference. One of our customers, Greg S., shared, "I had a lot of estimates to get my roof done, and I made the best decision by choosing A1. The office staff is responsive, sales rep was knowledgeable, and crew performed efficiently and cleaned up great. I will be recommending to my friends and family." Another homeowner, Carolyn C., expressed, "I want to thank the entire staff at A1 Home Improvement for their expertise, hard work, professionalism, and attention to detail to restore my home during these past few months. From the beginning, Zach answered every question and phone call and went above and beyond to help me resolve all issues to improve my home." And then there's John K., who said, "A1 Home Improvement replaced my roof, and the experience was phenomenal. They explained everything beforehand, and the crew worked tirelessly to finish on time. The cleanup afterward was so thorough. You'd never know they were there, except for my brand new roof." These stories are why we do what we do. At A1 Home Improvement, we're not just fixing roofs or replacing siding, we're improving lives one home at a time. If you're ready to share your own success story, contact us today to get started. Let A1 Home Improvement show you what sets us apart.